Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Theo. If you're a returning subscriber or someone who's been here more than once, welcome back. So for today's video, we are actually going to be unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus subscription for the month of July. If you're not familiar with Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, it is a monthly beauty subscription from Ipsy where you receive 5 full-size beauty products each month for $25, and the value of the box is at least $120 each month. So with that said, let's go ahead and take a look and see what we got in the box this month. So when you receive your box each month, it comes in a pretty pink box like this. It says Ipsy on the front in white letters. When we open it up, I've already popped the seal on it so that'll be easier for us to do on camera. When we open it up, that is what it looks like packaged inside. So it's neatly packaged and it has a protective foam on top of the items in the box. And in here it says Glam Bag Plus, and I'm not sure if you can see this, but it says, "Don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you," inside the cover. I think that's such a beautiful saying. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what we got. So when we first opened the box, I am pulling out the little pamphlet that comes with the box each month, telling you what's inside of the package. And on the cover this month it says July 2019 dive in. Summer is in full swing. Let's soak it up with dewy skin, beach babe waves, and shimmering budge-proof makeup looks. Guaranteed to keep those chill poolside vibes going all month long. Okay, great. And then inside, like I said, as you go on, it'll tell us a little bit about each product in the box. But I'll tell you a little bit of information as I pull them out. The first product I am pulling out is, it says it's from Pixie, and it's a glow mist with propolis and argan oil. And let's see and this is what it looks like. Let's see what it says about this. It says, "Step up your summer glow with this lightweight mist. It's formulated with 13 natural essential oils like rose, flower, and lavender, aloe vera, and fruit extracts to set your makeup, hydrate, protect, and give your skin a gorgeous dewy finish." So it sounds like it's a makeup setting spray. It says, "Shake it up, mist onto skin before makeup or all over your face, hair, and neck throughout the day for a refreshing pick-me-up." So it's actually, when I read the tips, it says before makeup. So, I'm not sure. Maybe you can use it before and after. I guess I have to read up a little bit more on that and see exactly what it's for. But it is a facial mist. So while I'm holding it up, I see on the back it actually says you can apply it before or after your makeup. So you can wear it either way. So that should be interesting. I have a ton of facial mist, so I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this one or give it away. But we'll see. I'll go ahead and put that aside. So the next thing I am pulling out of the box, I'm going to try to go in order, is Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. It's from Thrive Cosmetics. So it's a mascara. It is in, let's see what color, rich black. Let's take it out the packaging. I know I'm not going to open it and swatch the mascara because, like I said, I have so many mascaras that I may wind up giving these away. The packaging is really pretty though. I like that turquoise and silver packaging. And it says this is a flake-free liquid fiber technology. And it combines buildable fibers and Korean plant extracts for instantly longer, thicker lashes. Okay, so this is supposed to lengthen and thicken your lashes. Actually, I may try this out since it's one that has the fibers included in the mascara. I may give that a try. Next, we have Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate from Golden Faden MD. That's what the box looks like. And let me see, I'm going to look in here and see what this is for. I mean, obviously it says for dark circles, so I know it goes under the eyes. It says, "This eye cream gets straight to the root of your under eye issues because there's only so much concealer can hide." Formulated with rich brand extract, soy peptide, organic red tea, and arnica, it hydrates and helps reduce the appearance of dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. Plus, it absorbs super fast so you can apply your makeup as soon as possible. This is pretty cool. So this is an eye cream that it helps with the under eye circles. I'm super excited about this because I definitely have those under eye circles, and They're a pain in the butt. I'm always putting concealer underneath my eyes. But now that I have this, hopefully this will help out a little bit. Actually, I've tried several products and none of them really help, but I'm definitely going to try this to see what happens. Let's give it a pump. I'm going to pump it out just to see what the consistency is. Give a little dab of that on my hand here. I don't want to waste too much. Okay, it's a thick, creamy consistency. It glides very smoothly, so that should feel really comfortable around the eye area. Okay, great. I'm looking forward to giving that a try. I can always use another eye cream. The next product we have is from Touch in Sol, and it's called Pretty Filter Waterful Glow Cream, and it's in a beautiful purple packaging. Let's see what this does. It says, looking for the most innovative skincare, look to K beauty brands like Touch in Sol. This lightweight cream is formulated with hyaluronic acid and hydrolyzed collagen. Okay, to plump, firm, and moisturize your skin. Plus, it's safe and gentle enough for all skin types, including sensitive. So, this is supposed to plump, firm, and moisturize my skin. I'm all about it, and I hope that it works. So, definitely be giving this a try. Let's open it up. Again, let's check out the consistency and see what that's like. Oh, the jar is very pretty. Look at that. Very pretty. And it has 1.76 ounces in the jar. Let's see. Okay, when you open it up, it has that little pull top there. Let's see. Ooh. Oh gosh. The cream is a pretty pink. I don't want to pull it too far, but it's kind of thick. Can you see that? All right. I hope you can. It's a real thick consistency. So I'm just going to take a little bit off the top. See? You can see that. The consistency is really nice. Oh, and it glides really smoothly. This feels nice. Yeah. All right, I'm excited about this, guys. I'm excited to try this out on my face. Anything with collagen and anything that can help plump out these fine lines, I am all about it. So, looking forward to giving this a try. The value of this Water Glow Cream is $38. All right, that's nice. That's more than the price of the box itself. So we have some good skincare items in here. So far, the face cream, the eye cream, the setting spray, and then a lengthening mascara with the fibers in it. I'm really liking this box so far. I know it's a lot more skincare related items, but I am perfectly fine with that. Actually, I'm kind of glad about that because like I said, these things I can definitely use. The last thing in here that I'm pulling out is the Huda Beauty 3D Highlighter Palette. So, I actually got the palette. I think there was a lipstick that some people got. So, let's take a look at this. Oh gosh, this is absolutely gorgeous. Wow. And when you open it, let me show you what the palette looks like first. I get so excited that I forget to show you stuff. That is gorgeous. Very, very pretty. Gorgeous picture of Huda there on the front. I believe that's her. And then inside, what just fell out, is also a little card with her photograph that was covering the product. These shades are absolutely stunning. Stunning, stunning. Look at that. Very, very nice. I am so in love with this one here, this like gold shimmer shade. I think that's absolutely fabulous. They're all very nice, but that one is the one that catches my eye the most. And it says, apply Barbados as a base to smooth skin and amplify light reflecting pearls. So I guess one is a prep, one is a set, one is a sculpt, and one is a flush, which is, I guess, for your cheeks. One is for your cheeks. Sculpt to add dimension. The set one says, dab Maldives from cheek to temple to set and bring out the pop. And the first one is the prep. Apply Barbados as a base to smooth skin and amplify light reflecting pearls. So I am so looking forward to trying that out. I think that is absolutely beautiful. It may be one of the prettiest palettes that I've seen in a while. The colors just, I love them. I just think they're so pretty. And they should work really well on my skin tone and a lot of other skin tones. I'm really liking this. This highlighter palette is valued at $45. Now, that was the last item in the box, so let me tally up real quick and I'll tell you what the value of this month's box was. Okay, so I just tallied everything up and the value of this month's box is $177. That is absolutely phenomenal for $25. The cost of this palette was $45. The eye cream is valued at $55. The face cream is valued at $38. The setting spray is valued at $15. And the mascara is valued at $24, bringing the total to $177. Guys, I am really impressed with the items that I got in this month's Glam Bag Plus. I am super excited to try them out, and like, I loved everything this month. I absolutely loved everything. For me, this box was definitely a win this month. So anyway, guys, that's all that I have for today. If you received the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, let me know down in the comments below what you received and what you thought about this month's box. If you don't receive Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and you're interested in learning more information, I'll go ahead and leave a link down in the description below so that you can check them out. So as always, thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it. And before you go, if you would hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like, I would definitely appreciate it. Until next time, guys, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.